how I exactly plan my first video here in YouTube without me getting burned out while working full time. If you're someone like me, guys, who is trying to build your YouTube channel and yet on your first video and your second video, you still felt disappointed and also frustrated because you felt na parang nababurn out ka, then watch this video. In this video, I will be showing to you guys how I stayed motivated without getting burned out, my exact workflow in content calendar, and my exact strategy in this first week. It's pretty normal to feel unmotivated when you knew that there's nothing is achieving or achievable on your to-do list. It's pretty normal because just like me, I have a full-time job. Just like me, I am a mom. Just like me, I am all over the place. That's exactly you are. You're a mom, you have a full-time job. Let's say if you also have a business that you are trying to build, you're only a one-man person. You do the filming, you do the editing, you do the keyword research, and behind the work of uploading that first video. I feel you. I know how exactly hard it is. So it feels that sometimes when you knew that you planned to have or to do this on a specific day, and yet you haven't achieved it, you felt unmotivated, disappointed with yourself. That's normal. What's not normal is for you to continue feel that way and give up. Well, sharing with you my biggest mistake in doing this before. If you are with me, guys, as a long-time subscriber, I have this YouTube channel for a very long time. It's more like around 5 years now, yet there's no movement. Because I felt that there is nothing to share. I felt that when I try to work it out again, I get burned out. I get frustrated because sometimes what I plan to do is not exactly what's happening. And then after that, nababurn it ako. And then I stop right away. But one mistake that I really learned from that journey is when I try to schedule a to-do list and it's not achievable. Let's say, for example, I wanted to upload a video like twice, 2 videos in 1 week or 3 videos in 1 week, trying to post it in my YouTube, trying to post it in my TikTok, trying to post it in my Facebook, and nothing has been achieved at that because it's not achievable for me, because it's not doable for me, because I don't have enough time to complete all those tasks in just 1 week. In fact, I've learned and look up myself ano yung nakakause ng burnout ko, because I tried to work out on this schedule and yet when I knew na hindi ko naman talaga siya kaya, I still try to push myself. In the end, I stopped, redo, stop, redo, walang natatapos. So now I'm shifting to like have a goal that is achievable, which is I shift into a uploading twice 2 videos a month, which means I do have a 2-week turnaround time to edit, to film, and to make sure that I will be able to upload a high quality video. Meaning I'm giving myself a gap na I have this timeline at 2 weeks to make sure that I will be doing that for the span of 2 weeks. So for me, I felt like 2 weeks is achievable. It's doable for me. Nakakahinga ko. One of the example here is on the first video that I uploaded, by the way, is when I don't see myself nababurn out if the to-do list on Tuesday is not achievable or the to-do list on Wednesday is not achievable, and namumove ko siya sometimes because, you know, meron talagang mga ganap on those days and kaya hindi siya na-achieve. So, but I like have an extension of another 1 week of myself. Make sure lang na maa-upload ko siya on after 2 weeks. So, na-upload ko naman siya. Happy naman ako yung ganap na yun. Now, I'm filming this another video that's actually like days after ko siyang na-upload. This video is supposed to be filmed yesterday, but you know, wala na akong energy when I went out para mag-buy ng requirements for my kids. But now, I'm doing it today. Na-move ko siya on next day. So, nakakahinga pa rin ako. I still do it, diba? So, with shifting on achievable timeline and achievable to-do list and schedules, it helps me not to get burned out. So don't be too hard on yourself. Focus on the progress over perfection, and also focus on small wins rather than big wins. So for me, it's a small win because I was able to achieve one video in July. So it's a small win for me. Now, sharing with you my exact workflow on my content calendar. So I'm gonna be looking at here in my content calendar, so giving you a snippet of my first week. So it's July 21 is when I was doing the editing. By the way, the editing, it's taking a lot of time because for me, I think it's taking around 4 hours 5 hours to complete this because I'm adding text, I'm adding layers, I'm editing some dead airs. So yeah, prior to this I was able to already film, no? But for the editing, so the thumbnails, the tags, the SEO keyword research, so there's a lot to do, by the way, in making sure na ma-upload mo to yung first video, which I'm gonna share with you on the next part or on the next videos that I will be planning to upload, guys. So yeah, just showing to you na if you see there is like an achieved part and there is also like an incomplete. So looking at the Tuesday, if you see this, I was able to achieve the description and the tags. And by the way, if you don't know what I'm talking about here, don't worry because I will be explaining it in the next video. So be sure to subscribe, guys, to see more full of the context of what I am exactly talking here. Also with the thumbnail, is the incomplete one, meaning I am able to edit, I'm able to create a description. However, the thumbnail is because I need to picture myself with something that I was not able to do. But I have completed the draft and I put down here, it took me 1 hour to edit the thumbnail draft, guys. Now on Wednesday, there was a day off because there was an event. So as you know, I am also having an event planning team, an event planning side business. So I wasn't able to do anything. And even on the Thursday, guys. But at least when I look at with this scheduling here, day by day, daily, I am able to see what is going to happen on that day, what I should be achieving, and also make a report na ano ba yung na-achieve ko and what I did not achieve. On a daily basis, guys, I always make sure na nireview ko yung idea, yung talking points, and then editing schedule, and then as well as with the keyword research. So more in depth on this on the next part of the videos, guys. So third is the exact strategy for the first week. So one of the challenges, as I've mentioned with you, that I have on my previous video when I covered about the challenges and the bottlenecks for me to make this work, is my focusing time. So I make sure na yung focus time na yon is ma-achieve ko siya. So let's say for example, yung one problem ko is the filming of the video. Yesterday, it should be my schedule, but then again, I couldn't focus when I was going to film because I have my daughter with me, which is talagang nakakaloka. Ng focus kasi palagi siyang clingy. So, I couldn't do the job. I couldn't film it. So, I have to make sure na kapag nag-upload ako or kapag kapag nag-film ako ng video, I make sure wala siya. For example, today, it's around 7 a.m. So, which means, kakagaling ko sa office because I'm a night shifter, guys. Kakagaling ko sa office, she's no longer here because she's in the school. I make sure na kahit pagod ako, kahit patulog na ako, I have to film this because this is the only time I have the focus in uploading or in filming this video na walang disturbo. And yeah, one of the yesterday then I wasn't able to film because again I went out to buy the requirements for my eldest sa anak ko mismo. Pagdating ko, pagod na ako. So, pagdating ko, parang hindi ko siya feel i-film because akong energy to film it. I don't have the energy to film it. So, parang kumbaga, when I do the filming, I make sure na nakatuon ako doon, yung focus ko. Kasi the moment na pagod ako, wala akong ganang mag-film. Parang ang pangit ng kalabasan ng video ko. So, yung kalabasan ng video ko, parang mafe-feel din niya ng audience. So, that's why I said na itatry ko na lang mag-film tomorrow because one, pagod ako. Pangalawa, nandyan yung anak ko, hindi ako makaka-focus. So, yun, that's why I am here on the exact day that I am filming on Wednesday. So, screenshot ko na din yung schedule ko for this video. So, supposed to be filmed siya on Tuesday. But, again, it's Wednesday na ngayon. Ni-write down nga yung incomplete. Sinulat ko lang siya, guys. So, makikita niyo talaga may note ako dyan na wala akong na-achieve. Incomplete yung filming ko. Ni-write it down. Yeah. So, Wednesday naman, dali lang yung film ko. So, nag-film ako, guys, tapos mag-edit. Add ko na lang din yung edit. And then, approximately 2 hours for the edit. Kasi yun yung usually na talagang nag-edit ako. It takes a lot of time. Doon ako kain yung oras ko when I do the editing. I'm a one-woman person. I'm not like anyone there na meron talagang editor. So, yeah. So, for the filming, na-achieve ko, it's the filming, guys. So, for the filming, I think it's just less than 30 minutes lang. So, madali lang yung filming, no? What makes it easier for me to achieve the filming is because if you notice yung setup ko, hindi naman talaga siya gano'ng kagandahan. But, hear me out kasi yung gusto ko talaga is even though pangat yung setup ko, I wanted to make sure na uploaded siya. Good quality, meaning merong laman yung content ko. Not because maganda yung setup ko, but meron siyang laman. Informative siya for all the viewers. So, if you feel na informative siya, guys, please comment nyo naman informative sa comment down below para malaman ko na it's valuable for you. And if not, then I'll try to do it more or to make it better more. So yeah, I think that's it for now for our how I plan my first video. I still don't know what's the next video that I will be uploading, guys, but definitely it still relates to the one that I'm creating now, which is my workflow as a content creator with a full-time job. Now, so today, guys, we have covered how I stay motivated without getting burned out, my exact workflow on the content calendar, and then my exact strategy for the first weeks. Whatever works for me for this first video, I will continue to apply it on the next one. So if I see na meron siyang kakaibang negative or result na hindi talaga siya maganda, then I will try to make an adjustment. And of course, you'll still be with me on that journey. I'll be showing with you the black and white of this content creation, full-time job, mommy working full-time with you guys. By the way, if you like this content, if you like this video, please hit like and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more. And if you have a friend, a family member who is also the same with us, guys, please help me grow this community by sharing with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.